Hey, deep this side, and today I'm with a new video, and this is literally gonna be amazing because it resonates with my personal life. So my fiance is training to be a gynecologist, and I just used these two AI tools and built this app for her using Claude and Lovable. I built her entire app like 3 months ago, I believe, and onboarding and AI coach, symptom tracker, or doctor directory, the whole thing, no code. This is exactly how I built it and how we are turning it into a real business. Okay, so basically, the goal of this app is to help pregnant ladies in their entire 9 month cycle of pregnancy, to guide them, to have them consultation, to motivate them, to tell them what things to do and what not things to. So here's where this idea actually came from. So my fiance doing her BMS, that's Ayurvedic medicine, and she wants to specialize in gyno, and she told me about a real problem that a lot of women, especially unmarried women in India and entire world, are terrified to walk into doctor's office and share this with their parents, scared of judgment, scared of their thing and like current situation, what they have done for, and like how to find out the solution. So they just don't go, and they just are scared, and that delay is actually very dangerous. So we asked, what if there was an app that met them exactly where they are, like with their journey from getting the announcement of pregnancy to entire journey of 9 months. So uh judgment free and like private, and its entire job was to get them to real care faster, not replace it. And that's how Saathi was born, your pregnancy coach, no judgment. And my fiance now runs it every month and daily, and she almost makes more than $10K per month using that one app and selling that to pregnant females, women, and whosoever needs that for a guidance. And let me show you how this was built and how it is doing now. Okay, so two tools start to finish. First is the terminal, like a Cloud Code. This entire app is built from Cloud Code, and then second one is Lovable. So like everything just deployed in Lovable, and it gave me the output. And I just had to go in, and I just had to type each prompt, and like plot for everything, the product specification, the safety architecture, each line code, Lovable to actually run and deploy it. I did not write a single line or file by my hand, and it literally took, I remember, I think so, 30 to 45 minutes to create this. And if you have been sitting on the app idea because you are not a developer, this is genuinely the unlock. Let me show you what we have built now. Okay, so here is the Saathi, your pregnancy coach, no judgment, and this is the page where you get started. You can see how Saathi works, your pregnancy week by week tracker, then reads, which we bring from different doctors and different leaders in this industry, and even my fiance also writes some of those things. And let's now get started. So this is very simple. Like, first of all, you need to educate Saathi what is your current situation. So let's start with basics. Are you 18 or no? So right now in India, and like let me tell you, like everywhere, any app, or like you cannot create any app falsing you with different details, and like details which actually doctors can only advise on medical care. So Sathi also don't work on that. It cannot advise you on actual medicines or like doctor consultations or things which are prescribed by doctor. But yeah, it can generally help you on everything on your entire journey, in your questions and everything which you are not educated for, or anything in which you feel lonely, or like anything. So if you're below 18, you can use this definitely, but you will not have an account access, and you can use it like just by making a purchase of $29 per month, and you will get an AI coach access where you can just go and either have a chat or have a pre-built questions, and you can just choose any of these questions and chat with that. However, we are adding more things to it slowly and making it more smoother for teenagers to like feel free to talk and like work with Saathi like as a friend and like a friendly doctor. Then let's say if I choose yes, I am 18, are you married? Let's say yes. If you say no, then also it works. And if yeah, was the pregnancy planned? Yes. Uh, have you ever seen to doctor yet? Let's say, yeah, I have an appointment. Then how you feel right now? I would say excited. And then what do you need most right now? Let's say nutrition thing. Then we have terms and policies, which you have to agree as a patient. So continue. And this is entire infrastructure and dashboard of Saathi. So here you come, you get daily tracker, visit prep summary, then you get today's guidance like daily guidance, and then you have your own AI coach. You also have more things to do here like daily tracker, weekly guide, then your doctor directory which is coming soon, and visit prep, so like entire preparation journal where you can talk with AI, resources and rights, Saathi reads, and in settings you can delete your account, delete your information, keep it private, and or share directly with your doctor from here. So let's say daily tracker, and like this one is something which is like this is part I'm most proud of, I would say, because it takes everything you have tracked, like mode, symptoms, notes, and turn it into an actual one-page summary you print and hand your doctor. And a plain chatbot can never do this because it has no memory of your last 2 weeks. This is a real product, not just AI wrapped around a text box. However, we save your memory, but with your permission, and you can delete it anytime, right? Okay, so you can see this entire framework how it works. Like you can tell how you are doing today, you can ask any question if you have any problem. If you don't want to go on daily tracker, you can go on AI coach, and you can either ask AI, let's say if there is any new problem you are having in those days, you can just ask it, and you can have a question library where you can ask your questions. You and your husband both can use this and learn about the pregnancy and like what things to do and what not to. So this is Saathi, and this is what we have built, and within like literally 45. Okay, let's get to like ask AI, and like let me show you how AI coach works. So let us pick one of these questions, and uh, which one will be best. So let's use like this one. I fell down the stairs while I was pregnant. So this is something like most of the females get panic or they don't have answer to. So instead of like getting panic, let us say most of the users what I have seen, they come on Saathi and they ask like, okay, I had this, what to do now? So I just submitted this. So Saathi will just ask you several questions to confirm what is your current situation. So first, are you bleeding, having contractions, or like severe pain right now, whatever the answer. Fall during pregnancy needs to be checked today, even if you feel completely fine. So basically, there is nothing to do with home recipes, or like most of the females don't show to doctors, so it will just advise you with the right information, and you can just submit it and chat more for sure. So basically, Saathi is built on a technology where we have several sub agents, like more than 100 agents sitting in background and connected with gyno doctors and like live blogs and doctors from Apollo, Max, and like some big hospitals and their works, and that entire sub agents educate themselves daily with real pregnancy problems and how a gyno doctor can help properly with advices to a pregnant lady or a female. So it is built on a technology which is used by Claude Code itself, and it runs on its own. I don't have to look for it every day. It runs 24 into 7. And if there is anything which is complex and if AI cannot answer that, it definitely try to educate patients, but then definitely ask to consult the doctor. And uh, AI tracker and like directory and like weekly guide. So basically weekly guide is something which will give you like your weekly goal, like first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, and you can definitely change it based on your situation. You can tell AI that, okay, what your doctor have prescribed, what are your what things to avoid and what not to. Based on that, it will create your entire plan. And how Saathi makes money, like how this web app is making entire money. So my fiance like take cares of entire app, and how she also gives coaching calls to all the users. So this is basically the admin growth dashboard which I'm showing you here. So till today we have total of 623 users with overall like monthly revenue of $18,000, and new members added in last 30 days are 102 with monthly pricing of $29. I remember when we launched it was $17, but we increased that price to $100. So just create a minimum viable product which you can sell in the market. Does not matter what idea you have. You can change, update, and like add more things to your idea later on. You can scale with that. Most of our traffic source comes from Facebook ad. So we run Facebook ads targeting these people, and most of the people just come and like we get like comments and like reviews on Saathi, what things to improve. Keep on improving your app, like uh, from whatever reviews you get on your web tool, and that's the point where you scale. And most of the traffic comes from Facebook ads, then some of the traffic comes from YouTube organic, which my fiance does, and she also writes blogs, answers questions on Quora and Pinterest and Reddit, and from there we get most of the our organic traffic. And this is not limited only to India. We have users from New Zealand, we have users from Brazil, we have users from United States, we have users from Australia. So this is like, if you are a doctor and you are framing to like start something in your college and like take it to next level, if you are passionate about anything, you just have an idea, so you can just create your idea into web app. I'm just building a school community for this, and I am literally adding all the knowledge which I am having and which I am running to sell multiple web apps in different industries. And you will learn there step by step how to create your web app from an idea, how to run that, how to scale that. Because I have a AI agent, which is your personal CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. You don't have to market, and so you don't have to hire any agency, any marketing team, any content editing team. Everything will be done with that AI agent. You learn how to run ads, you learn how to analyze everything, you learn what to kill, what not to, you learn how to find winners, and you learn how to scale that. So if you're ready, just go in description, join the community. I will come up with more videos like this, and if you love this, please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.